Hey guys, what's up? I'm pretty late making this portion of the video. Mind your business, yes, those are the biscuits that I made, but that's because I forgot to do the introduction. Thank you. So pretty much all the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe, which is curry chickpeas. So today we're going to be making curry chickpeas with homemade buttermilk biscuits, which you see right here. They're a little ugly. It was my first time making them, but they are homemade and they are good, so don't judge a book by its cover. So yeah, let's get right into these ingredients. Y'all really gonna make me name all of these, like everything? Whatever. All right, so first up we have the extra virgin olive oil, and then we have garlic, baking powder, all-purpose flour if you want to be thick like me. It's like that's genetics, sorry. That's what I get for talking trash. It's just a bowl. But you're gonna need low fat, or it doesn't matter, buttermilk. I didn't even know this was a thing until I got it today from the grocery store. Chili powder, curry powder, Cajun seasoning, which isn't really a must, but it's good. Adds a little razzle dazzle to your dish. You need jasmine rice or whatever rice you want to use. I use jasmine rice to go under the chickpeas. You need butter, bay leaves for taste, cilantro, but honestly I forgot to put this on my food once I was done cooking it, so it's not a must that you have it. Garbanzo beans, which are better known as chickpeas. You can either buy the one in a can or you can get the fresh bag of garbanzo beans and make them from scratch, and that's what I did. I pretty much bought the can as a backup because I never made chickpeas at all. I don't think I have. So yeah, that's all you need. Am I forgetting anything? Nope, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The food was definitely good. We're just gonna save that for the end of the video. Deuces. Hey. Ooh. Hold on. Y'all can cook later. Y'all gonna enjoy this face. All right, that's enough. See ya. Ooh, I totally forgot to mention where I got this recipe from. I gotta pay homage. So I got it from Angel Anderson. She has her own recipe book. It's called Spice Sweet, the Little Black Spice Book, and I will include that in the description box below. And she is a native Washingtonian. She has her own Spice Suite located in DC, and what she does is travel around the world to collect different spices throughout different countries, and then she brings it back to her spice suite and create her own spices. I feel like I said spices like 10 times already, but she's the spice queen. If I were you, I would definitely check her out. I will include her Instagram and her website, and just, you know, see what she's all about. She's definitely about girl power. She supports other local Black female businesses, and she's definitely the GOAT. I'm trying to stock up on all of her seasonings rather than going out to the grocery store to buy regular seasonings, I guess. I'm definitely trying to get on the Spice Girl wave and get my own seasonings by her. That's pretty much it. I hope you like this video.